Morning team. We are let's follow what we start yesterday. As I promised, I'm gonna try to make videos during the weekends. So today we are gonna talk about who is in control. M15 flow, check reaction from untested M15 levels. If resistance is broken, then bulls are in control and vice versa. Allora, couple of things. First of all, what I call flow, you can call market structure, you can call trend, you can call whatever you like. You know, I like the name flow because for me is like low time frame. M15 and M5 is more like a flow, day trading flow, and hourly is more market structure. But again, don't focus on names. Don't get stuck there. Call it whatever you want. I don't care. Nobody cares. It's the only thing that matters is how you read price action. Okay, I'm gonna explain you how I read it. Also, I call support resistance. They're just order blocks. If you think that there is an algo in control, then whatever. I don't say the bulls are in control. It's the algo in control. I call it bulls because I think that the flow is bullish, and I call bear when the flow is bearish. You think it's an algo? Fine for me, fine for you, fine for everybody. Focus on price action. Don't get stick to names, okay? So the video of today is really related to what I explained yesterday of market structure, okay? And now we're gonna see why. I think today I'm gonna use the replay function because it's cleaner. Also, if yesterday you didn't understand properly market structure the way I see, today you should understand more cleaner. So, okay. Let's go here. I mean, you don't need a genius to understand that this is a bull trend, right? Higher high, higher lows, all the way up, okay? So what happens here? Okay, look at this. This low made a new high. And how do I qualify this low as a new high? Because it break previous structure. And why I like this new high? Because it break the swing low. Okay, so somebody here sold enough to break a swing low of M15. Somebody here bought enough to break this high and the previous one. Okay, so for me this one now is a valid market structure. So to my eyes, M15 flow here is up. Okay, let's keep going. I think there was I don't know if it was CPI or some news. So usually these big weeks, huge, I tend to disregard them. I think, look at this. I mean, honestly, 80, 90 pips a week is like taking liquidity everywhere. So in terms of market structure, doesn't tell me anything yet. So you wait, and then something happened. Somebody near sold enough to break previous market structure low, okay? So to my eyes, market structure changed. This one should be the new high, and the new low is gonna be here. So, guys, don't, first of all, this is not like a rule, you know, nobody is not written in any books. This is the way I look at market structure and the M15 flow, because I'm a trade trader, and for me M15 is like my reference, okay, my confirmation. You remember yesterday I said that in my plan it's like I say that hourly sponsorship, well, I don't know why it doesn't. Hourly sponsorship, a low time frame confirmation. What is going on here? Hourly sponsorship, low time frame confirmation, and M1 or M5 for execution, okay? So for me now, this is the confirmation of the flow. So for me, M15 gives me the direction of where I need to try to go, okay? Weak high, weak low, strong high, strong lows. This is what I look at. You don't need to do the same. I'm just explaining the way I'm doing it, and if you understand that this is subjective, then you're welcome to learn. If you think that I'm doing wrong or there is another way to do it, it's all good, guys. Everybody can do whatever they want. Everybody can look at market structure in a different way. I like to look at this in this way. So low that made a new high gets broken. New high is the one that broke the previous low. So this is the new high, this is the new low. And for me now, market structure turned bearish, okay? Can you see the blue line? Now it's down. Let's delete the first one. And let's see what happens. So price ranges. We start to print higher high, okay? So what does that mean? In here on M1, for sure you're gonna find long opportunities. But for me, long opportunities are high probability until we go in premium above the red line and until this untested bearish order block, okay? This is the way I look at price. That's it. That's simple. Now they are ranging. They didn't even manage to take this high so far. Okay, we take it? Not really. Okay, we start to go lower. Look. Previous low gets broken. And what I do myself, I wait that somebody in here buy enough to break M15 again. So technically the flow here turned bullish, but the real structure is still down to my eyes. Until when? Until this high, that is the most far away from the new low, gets broken. So let's, can you see? Let's delete the old one. So market structure is bearish. For me, M15 is down. Flow turned bullish. Okay, perfect. You can find a nice long into premium and into this untested origin. Okay. You're welcome to long until here. If I get a long in here, I want to get out because to my eyes, market structure is still down, even if flow on M15 looks bullish right now. Okay, let's see what happens. Here you go. So we went back in premium, fair value gap, this breaker, and dump it, okay? So now I'm waiting for a new low to form and to break some M15 swing high to say that this is the new market structure low. Technically, this is the new market structure high, the new one. Let's see. I'm waiting. Okay. Yeah, not yet. Well, you can say that somebody needs to buy enough to break some swing high. I think I can consider this, yes. So old market structure is gone. I mean, you also need to be a little bit subjective here because I'm sure that if you go on M5, in here there are several bullish BMS. And I mix a lot M5 and M15, you know, guys, because I think it depends from the environment, they can be looked together. So as I say, this is the new market structure high, this is the market structure low. The real flow is down, even though the current price action is up. The current price action on M1, you can easily find nice longs in here, okay? Until this high goes, for me, the structure is down. So I'm aware of bearish structure, and I'm aware that we are printing higher lows. So this is a pullback to my eyes. Until this high goes, for me, it's down. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, you see, they managed to BMS here. So this is a real valid low, okay? So it's the new market structure low to my eyes, this one. Okay, what is happening here? We're printing higher high and higher lows, okay? Look at this beautiful raid. High, so what you're telling me, Francesco, that now it's bullish? Yes, M15 flow right now is bullish, literally. Can you see? It's printing higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. I mean, what do you need? Order blocks are respected. You know, this is respected, so it's bullish. Look, maybe here we're gonna go higher. Well, now we are in the premium side of the market structure, so it can easily go down and dump. Let's check OT area. Yes, we are in perfect OT. I don't know if this is gonna hold. So right now here is not high probability anymore for me to look for longs, okay? But the market structure is down and the flow is up right now. Until this high gets broken, market structure is down, but the flow is up. Let's go. Look, we went OTE, not optimal anymore, failed. And now I think we're gonna see some downside. Yeah, big stop run. Yeah, in the untested order block. This is gone. Let's see. Yeah, look at this now. Look at this. So the real market structure is down. Flow was up until they decided to BMS here. So this is now, this whole move down was mitigated. There was no inefficiency, no clean untested order block. So what they did, they push it up into this untested, take this small liquidity here in the fair value gap and break down again. Or now even the fractal structure, because this is inside the real one, like what we discussed yesterday, okay? This is the real structure, this is the fractal. Now even the fractal structure is turning bearish. So all this price action for me should bring price lower, okay? Because everything is bearish now here. If the fractal is bearish, the real structure is bearish. Okay, we bounced off a valid order block, but now it's been tested. So if it comes back now, I don't think it's gonna hold. Anyway, let's proceed. Yeah, we're going down. Okay, so look at this, still holding, okay, they hold low. So for me, the market structure remain the same. Let's see. We're going back up, close the fair value gap, untested on the block. Let's clean it. Okay, tested on the block. What happens in premium? What happens? Stop run, and we keep going lower. Okay, finally they broke previous structure, okay? This M15 structure now is gone. I need somebody to buy enough to break an M15 swing high to make the new low for me, to my eyes. This is the way I look at price action. Look at this. So this low made a new low. This high, sorry, this swing high. Hey, one second. I got a message. Sorry guys, sorry. Yeah, this swing high made a new low, kind of, and now we broke it, okay? So I think, oh yeah, actually look, I forgot, this one was a swing high. This one was a swing high, and somebody here bought enough to break this swing high. So for me, this one was already a new structure, okay? So this one was a new structure, and now I think it became this one. Yes. Okay, let's proceed. Anyway, it's the same concept. Let's proceed. Let's clean a little bit. 1 second. Sorry. Let's clean this one. Let's take all of this off. Okay. New structure. Yeah, you can say, I mean, it's not the cleanest, that you can say like this. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, they break down again, instantly. Here start to be interesting. Why? Who break down the structure? The most far high is this one, okay? So new structure become this one. This one goes off. New high they broke down the structure. Finally, somebody, why I made this low relevant? Because these guys bought enough to BMS this swing high, okay? But until this moment, the market structure on M15 for me is still down. Flow is going up rapidly. They start to break every single M15 order block. So who is in control here? I think bulls are start to get in control. Market structure is still down. Let's see what happens. Bam. Now they clearly broke up. So to my eyes, market structure shifted up. This is a new strong low, and these are all valid order blocks, okay? Bullish. So I don't know yet the market structure high when it's gonna form, but I know that right now the old structure down is being broken and we are going up. And the flow is bullish, so all is aligned now. Structure is up and the flow is up. Can you follow me? Let's keep going. Okay, I think it's Friday and price stopped. They couldn't even manage to break one single M15 swing low. So to my eyes, I still don't have the new market structure high. Probably gonna open Monday and we're gonna form. But yeah, imagine that we broke this one. Right now the new structure is this, okay? So this is the new strong low, that broke previous structure, and now we're gonna see what happens. I mean, guys, again, this is the way I see a price action. And the difference when I call market structure and flow is exactly that I need to be aware that real structure is down and all of these are pulled back, and it's not like, you know, to my eyes, it's not like every time that it's not like every time there is a bullish BMS. Ah, look, now it's bullish. No, it's not bullish, bro. This is bullish only until, this is bearish until the strong high that made the new low goes, you know. Here is not bullish. It's bullish if you want to get 10, 15 pips, fine. Fine for me, fine for you. I mean, everybody can get M1, 10, 15 pips out of it. But until this one goes, for me, it's bearish. So I hope this helps to understand better the way I see market structure. Can you see here the BMS up? So this is a new low, but then it gets here and it starts to look weak. What do you expect here? That this low need to go. This is now a weak low, and this is the strong high. And yeah, the same goes here. Now we form the new low here. Okay, that breaks up. What is the into the previous structure, the highest high is this one. So this is, for me, is the new high. So until this goes, the price is bearish, okay? Then we break down again, okay? What is the highest on the previous structure? This one. This is the highest high that broke the structure down. Then look, here you can start to have doubts because this order block broke down, but the new high is still like protected. Then finally they break it, and when they break it, you know the market structure turned bullish, okay? I hope this helps to clarify yesterday explanations about market structure and the way I look at flow, M15 flow. I care a lot about M15 because I'm a day trader, and for me M15 is the confirmation of the direction. I execute on M1, but we're gonna see this one later on in more videos, and that's enough for me today, guys. Next ones we're gonna see execution. If you have a nice feedback, constructive, you can comment on the Telegram channel in the chat discussion group, and I'm gonna listen to you because, you know, I'm Italian. I don't know if everything I explain is clear, so you can ask questions. Okay, speak soon. Bye.